Hey everybody, and welcome to this update on Teleopti WFM. Here are 5 things that you didn't know about Teleopti workforce management. First, did you know Teleopti gets updated every day? Seriously, we deploy a new version of Teleopti every single day with updates, features, and bug fixes. These are important things to our customers, and we like to provide that to them. Number 2, did you know that Teleopti only makes one product? Workforce management. That's it. We don't do anything besides think about workforce management every day to give you the best possible solution out there. Number 3, Teleopti has released a lot of new features over the last few months that you may not be aware of. For example, overtime requests, historical adherence dashboards, and our latest Insights, which is a Power BI reporting tool that is really exciting that we want to get in your hands. So if you're interested in any of these new features, please let us know. We'll be glad to talk to you about them. Number 4, did you know over the last year, Teleopti has deployed in the cloud almost 80% of the time? So if you're thinking about moving to the cloud, or that's part of your overall IT strategy, definitely let us know. We want to be a part of that strategy. And number 5, if you aren't using it yet, you need to take a look at the Teleopti mobile app for agents. It's available today, and it gives agents the power to view schedules and request changes on their own without needing it. And the biggest advantage is that it gives you those push notifications. It really allows you to communicate with those agents to let them know about the information that's important to them without you having to go out of your way to show them. So there are 5 things you may not have known about Teleopti. If you're interested, contact us. Go to www.teleopti.com or talk to your account manager today. We'll be glad to set you up. Have a good one.